Let's make an orange sesame cabbage salad. Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're gonna make this delicious orange sesame cabbage chopped salad because it is hot and humid here in North Carolina, so we need something kind of light and refreshing. So we're gonna start with our cabbage. This is 5 cups of shredded cabbage. You know, just cut into thin strips, not like coleslaw, but kind of shredded into strips. And we've got 2 oranges that I segmented and just cut into little bite-sized chunks. 1/2 to 1 cup of spring onions. And that just depends on how much you like them. If you don't like them that whole lot, or you don't like that oniony flavor, go with 1/2. And we have 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of cubed tofu, and this is an extra firm tofu, 1 teaspoon of ginger that I microplaned just so it gets to be really, really small pieces, and then 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. We're just going to kind of toss this up a little bit. Mix it together, and then we will move on to our salad dressing. All right, so for the dressing, this is kind of a sweet and tangy orange dressing, and all of our pantry staples are from our partner Essential Organics, who carries over 600 organic products. And if you use the code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout, you'll get 10% off your first order. All right, so you're gonna need some kind of blender. I've got 1/2 cup of pitted dates, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, or you could use an apple cider vinegar too, 2 tablespoons of a low sodium tamari, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. And all you're gonna do is just blend this up until those dates are completely pulverized. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells so good. All right, I'm gonna grab my salad and we'll get it all mixed together. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. All right, let's mix this together here. Get all of that in there. And if you're looking for more salad recipes, we have a monster list of salads and delicious dressings, and we'll give you that link in the description below. But this one is so great. You can make a really big one beforehand, mix it up and keep it in the fridge, and you're good to go for, you know, it depends on how many you are, but you know, at least 2 or 3 days you have this nice, really fresh salad. And especially when it's been sitting in the fridge, you know, overnight, oh, it gets so nice and cold and crispy. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna grab a bowl and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, let's go in for a taste. This smells so amazing. I just love the combination of the toasted sesame and orange. Oh, magical. Woo! Wow, that it just explodes in your taste buds. So good. You are gonna love it. All right, come on back next week for another great recipe.